Imagine a world where your decision to study abroad not only enhances your skills, but also contributes to the growth of the country you choose to study in. That's exactly the vision behind the new Genuine Student requirement introduced by the Australian government. This policy replaces the previous Genuine Temporary Entrant requirement and has been in effect for student visa applications lodged on and after the 23rd of March 2024. Now, what exactly does this mean for you? The Genuine Student requirement has been designed with a clear purpose. It aims to ensure that every student visa applicant truly desires to study in Australia, understanding that education is the primary reason for their stay. So, how does one prove to be a genuine student? The answer lies in a set of criteria that each applicant must satisfy. This includes providing details about your current circumstances, such as your ties to family, community, employment, and economic status. It also involves explaining why you wish to study the chosen course in Australia with the selected education provider, and how completing the course would benefit you. But remember, each answer must be written in English and should not exceed 150 words. And if you are an applicant who has previously held a student visa or are applying from within Australia from a non-student visa, there's an additional question to address. The application form isn't the only place where you must demonstrate your genuineness. You will also need to attach supporting documents to your IMI account. These could include academic transcripts, certificates of attainment, details about your current employment, and information about your circumstances in your home country or country of residence. Bear in mind, generic statements without solid evidence won't carry much weight in the GS assessment, so every claim you make must be supported with appropriate documentation. The assessment of the GS requirement takes into account an applicant's overall personal circumstances. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about demonstrating that you are a genuine student, committed to your education and to contributing to Australia's future. So, if you're planning to apply for a student visa, remember to demonstrate your genuineness and be sure to back your claims with evidence. The Genuine Student requirement is not just a policy, it's a commitment to quality education and a brighter future.